Hi friends, today we're going to look at birds and other animals with Pablo Picasso. Birds. More birds. Flamingos are birds who stand on one foot. Penguins are birds who waddle over snow. Cock-a-doodle-doo, roosters are birds too. Some birds fly, and flies fly too. Wasps also fly, but grasshoppers prefer to hop. Bunnies hop, especially to get away from hungry foxes. Does this fox look hungry to you? Does this squirrel look hungry? This camel looks hungry because her humps are small. When she eats, her humps will grow. This little dog has no humps. He's long like a hot dog. And this big dog does tricks. Sit, boy, sit. Good dog. Horses can learn tricks too. One leg up, two legs up. Fish, on the other hand, don't have legs at all. They swim, and turtles swim too. Pelicans are birds who swim. Ostriches are birds who run. Is this a bird? Yes, he's a peacock. Look at those tail feathers. Hoo hoo! Owls are birds too. Beautiful birds. So what did you guys think about birds and other animals with Pablo Picasso? I think these are pretty cool because this is just one continuous line. So when Pablo Picasso would draw these, he would never lift his pen off the paper. It's just one line. He would do the whole thing. And if you don't remember who Pablo Picasso is, he's a famous artist, a famous Spanish artist that we've talked about several times before. And I thought you might like some of his cute little animal line drawings.